Hi, here's how you create a survey with Survey Mechanics. Once you're registered with Survey Mechanics, you can start creating surveys. And with your license, you may create as many as you wish with as many respondents as you wish. Log in and you will be taken to the Your Surveys page. You now have 3 ways of creating your survey. First, you can use one of our template surveys. These are useful if you want to create a customer satisfaction survey, an employee survey, a survey about your website, or even an ex-customer survey, which can be highly valuable. Simply click on the template you wish and your survey will be created. You can then start editing it to make sure it fits your needs. Once you've started making your own surveys, these will be stored so that if you want to copy a survey or use an existing survey as a template, this will be available under the Copy Existing Survey button. Finally, you can create a new survey from scratch. To do this, click on Create Survey. You now just need to set up a couple of things and you'll be ready to go. First, give the survey a name. This can be anything you like. You can also choose to give your survey a web address, which can be customized. Let's call this one Demo. You can choose whether to show the name, page title and question number on your questionnaire. And finally, you can tell the system where to send your respondent after they've completed the questionnaire. In the Display tab, you can choose from a variety of questionnaire templates and choose one that you think will appeal to your respondents the most. It's best to pick something friendly and neutral. In the Restrictions tab, you can set your questionnaire so that it can only be completed once on any given device. Set up individual IDs to restrict it, or protect your survey with a password. If you use these options, then you can amend the text that will appear to the respondent as you wish. In the Quotas section, you can choose a question in your survey and use that as the basis of a quota. Just enter the number of responses you want for each answer, and the survey will make sure you don't get too many responses of any one type. You can also close the survey once a certain sample size has been reached, or on a date and time of your choosing. On the Screen Out tab, you can set up your questionnaire so that it doesn't let people in who don't qualify for your survey, again based on a question you've included. In the Sections tab, you can set up your questionnaire so that results for certain questions can be included as a section result. There's a separate video about this. In the Other tab, you can choose a number of options. For example, you can choose to keep any respondents you've invited via Survey Mechanics Invitation Manager anonymous. You can see our separate video on the Invitation Manager. You can also delete responses you don't want, perhaps from testing your questionnaire. You can archive your survey to keep your survey pages clean, and you can set up email reports, so you'll receive an email at a frequency of your choosing, letting you know how your survey is going. Once you've set those things up, just click Save, and you'll be ready to start editing your survey. That's covered in our survey editing video.